Hi there guys, Mia here again, and I'm back with another unboxing video, and this time it's gonna be the GoPro HD Hero 2 camera, which is the outdoor edition, and I'm excited to try out this one. This camera retails for $299.95 right now. So anyway guys, just to let you know, this camera actually shoots at 1080p, 960p, 720p, and I think they take photos with 11 megapixel. So okay. That's a lot of tape. Okay, so here's the camera guys. Let me just try to take it out so you guys can't see it. Okay, so there it is. I still have to figure out how to use this, so bear with me here guys. So let's check out what comes in a box. So you have your HD Hero 2 battery, USB cable, some stickers. Okay, and let's check what else we have down here. Surface adhesive mounts that you can use to mount the camera, and then vented helmet strap. This is the head strap, the ones that you use to mount your camera on your helmet, and then head strap right there, like if you want to mount your camera on your head without using the helmet. So I guess that's all in it guys. So okay, so let's get back with the camera. So this is the camera guys, and then it comes with this waterproof housing that you can actually take out the camera if you don't want to use the housing, and it's right there. You have it right there, which is very little, but I'm glad this housing comes with it and you don't have to buy it separately, so you can keep your camera protected. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to get back with you. I'll hope to see you in my next video. Thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe.